Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in the Trip.com app using your Android phone. Whether you're traveling or just prefer a different language, this guide will help you switch the app's language easily in just a few simple steps. Open the Trip.com app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the Account section. In the Account section, tap the Settings icon at the top right corner. Look through the Settings menu and tap on the Language option. From the list of available languages, choose the one you prefer. Once you select the language, the app will automatically update and display in the language you selected. There's no need to restart the app. That's all it takes to change the language in Trip.com on Android. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more app tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.